enabling up to 55 million smart contract executions per second, higher performance, enhanced security, and greater reliability. This is bare metal deployment with Qubic.
What's up, crypto crew, and welcome back. Or if this is your first time, I'm Captain Crypto Might, actively escaping the matrix, scoping out the crypto oceans. If you like your odds, get on the boat, stay up to date, thumbs up, and join the hunt.
Into the boat!
Crypto crew, before we get in today's video, always remember to do your own research, especially amidst this second phase or ignition phase of the 2024-2025 bull run. Keep conviction in your crypto projects and play the waiting game. Walk by faith and not by sight. Now, during the height of this bull run, things will go parabolic. So make sure to keep your crypto assets on a cold storage. In my opinion, your best option is the Tangem wallet. Plug and play, easy to use, and the defense has been impeccable so far, at least from my personal perspective. So if you wish to get a hold on your Tangem wallet today, you can get 10% off. Link in the description box below. Thank you for your consideration and support, and thank you for you who have ordered your Tangem wallet using my referral link. May the Lord Jesus Christ bless you all.
What other cryptocurrency should you buy? What's the next Bitcoin? Well,
now I've made a couple of videos about Qubic in the past. I am going to start to look into the AI narrative as this bull run progresses. However, at the making of this recording, my only AI pick for now is Qubic. In my opinion, Qubic is a project that is not just breaking the mold, it's redefining the entire crypto and AI game.
This is a traditional blockchain network. It relies on additional infrastructure such as an operating system, kernel, and bootloader, for example. These extra layers not only add unnecessary points of congestion, but also significantly increases the risk of malicious attackers gaining access to the network, most commonly via the kernel and the layers above. This is Qubic's approach, titled Bare Metal Deployment. Cutting out the middleman software allows Qubic to directly tap into the raw power of the hardware, enabling up to 55 million smart contract executions per second, higher performance, enhanced security, and greater reliability. This is bare metal deployment with Qubic.
Now, Qubic isn't your typical blockchain. It's a quorum-based computer system capable of processing 55 million transactions per second.
Put your glasses back on.
That's right, 55 million. But how does it achieve this? Let's break it down. Unlike traditional blockchains that rely on blocks, Qubic uses something called ticks. These ticks occur every 0.2 seconds and are part of a weekly epoch system. This unique design eliminates bottlenecks of traditional blockchains, making Qubic faster and more efficient.
This is a computer, one of 676 nodes powering Qubic. This is the quorum. Let's see how they help to secure the network, execute smart contracts, and validate ticks. In this scenario, the proposal is not passed as 2/3 of the computers have not voted. This scenario has passed, as 2/3 of the computers have voted and over 50% approve of the proposal. In each tick, the computers validate the transactions, allowing the network to move forward. This system makes Qubic more secure than traditional blockchains, as 2/3 of the computers must agree on the ticks data to progress. Qubic is overseen by an arbitrator. If a computer is giving false data, then this entity has the power to remove that computer. Qubic ensures decentralization by allowing the arbitrator's decisions to be overridden by a supermajority. Security is paramount in the Qubic network.
So what problems is Qubic solving? Scalability, high data overhead, centralization in AI, and energy inefficiency. And how does Qubic solve them? With this minimalist architecture, useful proof of work, and decentralized AI ecosystem. Qubic is a game changer for both blockchain and AI.
Give me a second, I'll switch it up.
Just like Bitcoin and Kaspa, Qubic is a proof of work, meaning that you have to mine the tokens to bring them into circulation. However, different from Kaspa and Bitcoin, Qubic actually uses the otherwise wasted computational power into something quote-unquote useful. The useful proof of work protocol that Qubic uses channels computational power expended by the mining into useful power, which is used to train artificial intelligence. And this is where Qubic truly shines. It channels this power into these things called ANNs. These are artificial neutral networks, which is the main thing responsible for training machine learning. AI Garth is the name of the project that is powered by Qubic, and it's a artificial general intelligence under construction at the moment, yet powered by the network.
No dough, no show.
Qubic is one of the only projects in crypto and in the world that is attempting to make a decentralized artificial general intelligence. The general part in artificial intelligence, meaning an AI that can behave in a human-like way and even complete any task that a human can. There isn't such a thing in the world right now, as far as I know. Now, I'm sure you're familiar with ChatGPT, which is an ANI, or artificial narrow intelligence, which can only fulfill a narrow set of tasks. An AGI, which is what AI Garth is attempting to become, will be far greater than any AI there is out there right now. And all of it is made possible by the computational power expended from mining Qubic, meaning AI Garth is insanely revolutionary. But it is the promises where the profits lie, and this is why I am invested in Qubic long term. I haven't accumulated many Qubic coins just yet, but I do grasp the future potential of Qubic.
Recently, you joined Qubic Scientific Advisory Committee, and you're working on a paper about Garth. What excites you the most about Qubic's vision, and how do you see it revolutionizing decentralized AI? I think you wrote a paper in 2021, you posted it recently on X, describing an approach that is actually remarkably similar to what Qubic is trying.
Yeah. I've been researching the field for a very long time. Also, I think crypto world is crypto and blockchain and is a fundamental way to change and to be more close to these new societies that we need to build. And I think Qubic is fundamental. I heard about Qubic thanks to a friend, Jose, who is also the other scientific advisor of Qubic. And when he presented me Albert, I just saw it at the first time. It was love at first sight, because I think that it is the missing piece. The missing piece is that we need to use this computing power to really build AIs instead of just wasting it to just you take it for the sake of getting money and mining, but I think it's fundamental to use that compute for something else.
Recently, Qubic launched its hashtag FWYK campaign, forget what you know.
All that asset management, diversification, that's for idiots, right? Because you can't diversify enough to know what you're doing.
This campaign challenges everybody on the crypto ocean to rethink what is possible with blockchain and AI.
So you have to forget what you know, to start to understand what is Qubic. Rethinking how decentralized networks work. There is much more than that. Imagine a network with instant finality, when you can make a transaction and it will be very similar to a Visa transaction when you pay with your credit card and it's already done. Also, you can imagine the fastest smart contracts in the whole market, and also you can earn dividends for each execution of the transaction. But the next thing is what I like the most. We are doing something incredible. We are turning energy into intelligence. What does it mean? Qubic is building an artificial general intelligence. But we are very used to the acceptance of the useless, meaningless calculations of other blockchains. In Qubic, we are turning this calculation, this energy, into an artificial general intelligence, or where we like to call it a true AI. And this is going to be so different from any AIs that the use cases that we're going to have are unimaginable. For instance, for healthcare, we'll be able to get real data and to make very quickly and efficient calculations to improve the health of the people. We will be able also to use this AI for financial institutions, for financial systems that will be more efficient. So that's something that none of the blockchains out there they are doing. Also, I want to invite you, to join our community, because the real power of decentralization, we all are here all together. It's about the community. And this is what can push us harder to achieve our final goal, that is the mainly adoption, for our artificial general intelligence.
Just like Kaspa, Qubic will be in its first ever bull run. The ambition that the Qubic team has and where it is at today in terms of their current place on the crypto ocean, Qubic is such a marvelous investment bound to pump a lot, in my opinion. Crypto crew, your success during this 2024-2025 bull run depends on a few factors. The conviction in your crypto picks.
If you can't hold, you're never going to be rich, especially in crypto.
Whilst employing long-suffering or patience. And not only so, but we glory in tribulations also, knowing that tribulation worketh patience, and patience experience, and experience hope.
Stick around.
Fix your mind before you get to the grind. And with that said, let's continue to escape the matrix. Let's continue to be on the lookout for the next big thing here on the crypto ocean, growing grace, and let's make some crypto waves. Say aye.